Denise Morris here from Knack Training, and today's quick fix tutorial video is inside of Teams, more specifically talking about creating tags. Are you tired of tagging entire channels when only part of the team needs the message? Try creating tags in your teams to reach the right people faster. Let me show you how. Okay, so to add tags, I'm inside of this Project Acadia. I'm going to click on the ellipsis and then go to Manage Team, or I could manage tags. So I'm going to click on Manage Team, and tags is the last tab right here. So this team doesn't currently have any tags. I can click Create Tag, and I will call this Human Resources, and then you enter who is part of this Human Resources team. Then you add who is part of the Human Resources department on this tag. So I'll say Faye, and I hit Create, and now there is tags for Human Resources. I can create another tag, and I hit Create, and now I can see that there are tags assigned to me, and there are other tags. You can create tags for multiple different areas. If I go into the admin team and I go to post in this channel, now I just do @ and when I do so, it gives me suggestions because these are the people that are in the team. But if I start typing in project sponsors, then it's going to @ me and tell me that somebody has mentioned me. So the little @ sign telling me that it has mentioned me right here. So if you need to get in touch with someone inside of a team, a chat, using tags can be very beneficial because you're making sure that the people who really need to see the information are getting that information. Another thing you can do with tags is you can go over to the ellipsis on the tags and you can chat with a group. So I can start a chat with just the people that are in that group, and it's right there. If I need to delete a tab, I can go back to the teams. Maybe that's no longer a project that's taking place. Manage tags. And then on the ellipsis, I can also delete the tag. Little unknown secret inside of Teams. There you have it. Custom tags save time, cut noise, and make your messages land exactly where they should.